Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not sending two-step verification code. So first, open Roblox, then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Try to log in, and after you press on sign in, you will see the two-step verification option, but it's not sending anything. What you can do is simply click on use another verification method, then click on backup code. This is the code that was given to you before when adding two-step verification. Add the 6-digit code. If you don't have this, click on contact Roblox support at the bottom. Then you'll find a new screen pop up. Scroll down. It will give you some answers. If this does not fix it, click on contact customer support. Here, add your username, first name, email address, and confirm email address. After you have added that, select the device, then select the category. Simply select account hacked or account login. Then after that, select two-step verification. After you have selected that, at the bottom, you need to describe your issue. Simply type in not getting the codes. Can you help me log in? Then press continue. Roblox will receive this and get back to you to fix your problem. This is how to fix Roblox not sending two-step verification code. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.